good. Do a video.
I'm trying to stay out of trouble. I don't want to go back there. No, look, you don't understand. You don't understand. You don't understand. I've been locked up before. I don't want to go back there. I'm trying to better myself. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to better myself. I have a job interview in a couple of days.
Keep it down. You too loud. We ain't got a bank still.
On August 14th, 2024, officers responded to a bank where employees detected fraudulent checks totaling over $8,000. The subject, a homeless woman, claimed legitimate employment. Under Tennessee Code Section 39-14-121, deposit account fraud occurs when someone knowingly deposits checks with reckless disregard for their authenticity.
How you doing? How you doing?
Hey.
How you doing?
Hey.
Do you have your ID with you by chance?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's going on? I don't know, because I got sent because I don't know what been happening, but
Okay.
I hope I ain't going there.
I hear you. I hear you. Well, we're going to figure that out. What are you doing here today?
No, a check got mailed to me, and I did come here and deposit in my account.
Okay. You got an account here? You just mail it and deposit it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. You have your ID with you?
Yeah.
Okay. I appreciate it. You have that check? Oh, both fine, yeah. That's fine. Pop-Out Central. I got a old lemon ready. Here you go. Appreciate it.
Give me.
Oh, okay, that's fine. Yeah. So what was? Go ahead.
First one was like for $485, and the second one was $490 as well.
Okay.
Finally got a call back from the first chef because the person wasn't there in the office. She couldn't verify because she couldn't put her name and say it.
1 second. Go ahead.
Yeah, they're here.
Hey, Will.
Yes.
Brandy should be on her way. She's coming from Penny.
Right. Yeah. I'm out here. I'll hang out. Right.
Clear. Sorry, go ahead.
So, it's Karen.
Yeah.
Yeah, she sent the text.
Okay.
But I was on the phone with them.
Yeah.
Do
Fraudulent check.
Yeah, so she came in, did the first deposit, and we called to try to verify. The lady said, hey, the person's out of office right now. I can call you back. So we went in and did a deposit, but didn't put the whole number in there. She called us back and told us she couldn't verify it because she couldn't see her name in her office system, but that didn't mean she didn't go through this company to get a check.
I think they can keep the original.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we can keep
the copy.
Copy,
keep
yeah.
those checks.
Thank you.
Oh, that's Miss Baker. Lord. Hey, just go that side for me. She'll get you over there. Yeah, so I called. This was the first one. The girl said she couldn't verify that number, but she said just because she couldn't verify it does not mean it's not a check that was written off for them.
Okay.
She just couldn't verify that check number and that name.
Okay.
This is the one I did call. She said this check number was like in June, and that it was not Rebecca McLean's name, but she couldn't disclose the name that it was on there.
Okay.
But she did confirm with me.
Okay.
Yeah, and it was their home office in Chicago.
Okay.
So it's actually the exact number on the check that we called.
Okay.
And she came in yesterday to open the account. And she was on the phone, she came in today. She asked about the sale and about, there wasn't anything she wanted. She wanted to make sure she would be able to sell.
Yeah.
But she couldn't download the app off of the government phone that she had.
Gotcha. When did that check clear? I'm sorry. The 16th?
This one?
Yeah.
Back in June.
June.
The critical legal question. Does being scammed by a third party absolve criminal liability? Tennessee law says no. Intent can be satisfied through reckless disregard for obvious fraud indicators. Officers had probable cause based on Illinois versus Gates. Bank employees' expert opinion, failed verification, and the subject's admission of printing checks from digital files. Fourth Amendment analysis. The totality of circumstances established reasonable belief that fraud had occurred. Physical evidence, credible witnesses, and voluntary admissions supported the arrest. The employment scam pattern: unsolicited job offer, no formal application, instructions to print paychecks, requests for bank information, and demands to purchase gift cards. Each element constitutes a red flag. A reasonable person familiar with legitimate employment would recognize the fraud. Willful blindness does not excuse criminal conduct. Tennessee Code Section 39-14-114 defines forgery as making or possessing writings with intent to defraud. Printing checks from unknown sources satisfies this statute, though prosecutors later dismissed this charge. The subject voluntarily provided bank account information to a stranger online. This demonstrates reckless disregard, a legally sufficient mental state for fraud liability. Under deposit account fraud law, the crime is complete upon attempt. Whether the fraud succeeds or whether the perpetrator profits is legally irrelevant. The subject's claim, "I didn't get no money," misunderstands criminal liability. Attempt crimes punish conduct and intent, not merely results. This principle protects the financial system's integrity. Officers demonstrated professional de-escalation techniques, calm tone, allowing emotional expression, and explaining the legal basis for arrest without escalating in response to frustration. The arrest involved minimal force. The subject remained physically compliant despite emotional distress, preventing additional charges such as resisting arrest. Bank employees fulfilled their legal obligations under the Bank Secrecy Act by detecting suspicious activity, attempting verification, and contacting law enforcement when fraud was confirmed. The verification process followed industry best practices, calling the issuing company's home office. The discovery that the check number existed but was issued to a different name proved fraud conclusively. Case outcome: forgery charge dismissed, no contest plea to deposit account fraud, resulting in conviction. This disposition suggests prosecutors recognized partial victimization while maintaining accountability.
No, it did. I received a check in the mail, and then I did the pawn.
You wanna have a seat?
Yeah.
Okay, what happened? You said it came out your mailbox?
Yeah, it came in the post office. That's why I received my mail at downtown. And then I did the pawn. I didn't think none was, this serious.
What deposit box is it? What's your number?
Like the post office?
Yeah.
No, it's general delivery 306
Oh, okay.
306 or 3 or something like that.
Okay, I got you.
Yeah.
So it came out your deposit. So it was yours, right?
Yeah, well, I mean, my mail, but somebody sent it to me. I didn't know it was.
Yeah, I got you.
You still got the envelope it came in?
No, I took it out. It was, I was just thinking, there's something in there for me. I can just go ahead and deposit.
Do you often get checks in the mail?
Not really. Not like from, not really.
I got
just
you.
thought it was, legit,
Who's the check from?
Did it say who it was from?
No, it said, the guy that sent it to me, his name was Vincent. His name was Vincent.
Do you know Vincent?
I mean, no, I don't know him, but...
Do you have any more mail or any more checks?
No.
Back from him. It's the first time you received a check from this person.
And then we'll.
Is it a business or a person?
He got, wait a minute.
Are you texting Vincent now?
Yeah, cause I'm about here. Yeah, cause he sent it to me. I ain't got no more of them. Them the only one he sent me. But I don't want to go to jail over there cause I ain't did nothing. Cause I just thought it
Personal
was
check? Like a personal
Oh,
check?
he had Express Professional wrote on.
Okay.
Express
You got
Professional.
you know Vincent?
Yeah, I got his number. Let me put y'all get on the phone with him. Y'all get on the phone with him.
Sure, you can call him.
Did he say why he was sending you the check?
How are you?
Like, do you know him though? You know him or no? He just a
I've been
friend?
talking to him. He just a friend, but
Yeah,
still,
okay.
I don't want to go to jail over there. Please don't read me. 'Cause I ain't do nothing wrong. I ain't nothing.
That's not a working number. Or it's saying somebody returned call. You know the time.
Now, see. Okay. I don't want to go to jail over there. Please don't take me to jail. I ain't even know. Cause I ain't even know. I didn't even
What's
know.
his name, Vince? What's his name?
I don't know his last name. It started off, he sent me a text. He sent me a text
You got
saying,
that still in your phone? The text?
he sent me a text saying he can, whatever. He sent me a text
They
saying,
called on,
yeah,
yeah,
Express
Oh,
Professional.
yeah, so they called on this one, so this one cleared in June. This one they couldn't get a confirmation on, and they just couldn't verify.
How did he get your number to send you a
I don't
text?
know, he didn't call me.
I got
He
you.
called me.
Was on the phone, was only interested in Zelle, money transfer kind of stuff.
So he called you, sent you a text, and then
Yeah, he said like he can give me money, stuff like that. I couldn't fail for it. But he said he can help me out.
What's your address? Did they send the text to?
It was see the thing about this, the address they sent me on border with more than I hadn't been over there.
How did you get a check?
Because the mail at 806 goes to the post office, some of it does.
Where you borrowed from? The post, that 806?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So what's your
And-
mailbox number?
No, it ain't no mail, it's general delivery 30603.
Okay. I don't know that.
That's downtown by Hancock.
is this his first time sending you a check?
No, he sent me a check. He sent me those three.
Have you ever worked for Express before?
No, I haven't worked for
Do you know what
Express.
Express is?
I mean, I know one on Hawthorne.
Express for temp service. You
Yeah.
only gonna get those checks if you work for a temp service. So why would Vince be sending you those type of checks?
I don't know. Please don't take me to jail. I haven't
I'm
did
just trying to figure out what's
nothing.
going on because I worked for Express before and those are the checks that you get. You only get those if you work there. People don't just
I
send
didn't
you
her
those.
name.
I don't know what's going on.
I didn't know.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Well,
And you don't have the
that part
envelopes
is-
for neither one of them that he sent them to you?
No, cause the thing about it was, cause I threw them away, cause I'm thinking like, this is a check. I can,
So why would somebody send you a check if they haven't told you they're gonna send you a check?
I don't know. He said he gonna help me
How
out.
would we be able to tell?
I don't know. I don't know.
This part of it, you can always look at the back and
He
it'll tell you
called
what
me. He was like,
it is.
he was like, Harry Miller. He said, like, I can help you and stuff like that. And I
It'd be
said,
like how?
like, if they can help me get funds, gonna help me with my money.
Okay, you still got the text.
Something microprint. Microprint is usually on the edges, which I don't see that anywhere.
What are you looking for?
Oh, just some of the security features it's talking about on the back. I wouldn't tell whether or not these are just forgeries or ones that someone took and watched and never wrote in the first place, that kind of thing.
Now see, look, he told me to buy check paper. He told me to buy check paper.
But do you think that sound right though?
He
No.
told you to buy the check paper?
Yeah.
What's the text you're supposed to be showing me?
Wait, was like, no, here, see right here. Okay.
Come back over here. Let's sit down.
Yeah. Hey, can we see your bag? Do you have any more checks with you?
No, I don't.
You got some envelopes sticking out the front. Can we see what those are?
You talking about these?
Yeah.
Yeah, in the front.
Talking about this?
Mm-hmm.
No, different Social Security. This different Social Security, see?
Okay, no more envelopes.
No, no more
No more
envelope. Different
mail
Social
in
Security.
here. No more mail that you got out of general mail.
No, this different Social Security. Look, I don't know. I don't want to go to jail. Please don't take me to jail. I didn't
We
know.
need you to be truthful.
No, cause I'm telling you, cause he told me he could help me with money, and I'm
Somebody's
homeless.
gonna help you. They're gonna send you a personal check. Not
But
a-
look though,
not
but
a
see,
check
saying
from
about,
a
but
temp
look
service.
though,
That's
I'm
a temp
homeless.
service.
I don't have nowhere to go. I stay in,
So-
you know, I stay in a tent.
Okay. You understand? So what was going to happen after you deposited the checks?
What you say?
What was going to happen after you deposited the checks?
I don't know, cause they ain't real. Obviously the plea here, they ain't real.
But you came in here expecting to be able to deposit them, correct?
Cause I want to get me an apartment.
Okay.
I just want to get me an
what are
apartment.
you going to use the money for?
Yeah, for my apartment.
So he was sending you free money?
Dude, he said he could help me.
Okay, he didn't expect any money in return.
No, he didn't get nothing in return.
No type of exchange for nothing.
No, he was just saying, once he was just saying this. He said,
Since last time, do you know?
I don't know his last name.
Do you mind if we look through your text just to see what type of conversations y'all's been having? You can unlock your phone, and do you give me permission to look at the text between y'all?
He told me to get him.
So answer a question before
Yeah.
you go out.
Yeah.
He told me get Target gift card and do something with him. Like he
This
gave
the
me
person
money.
that you met in person or
No, it's
somebody
something I was
that
on phone. He gonna get Target gift card and send him like
So he
the
did ask
access.
you for something.
Yeah, but he was sending me the money. He was giving me money, then he told me to return it back to him. But he
Right. So this is, so you were to deposit his checks and then go buy gift cards and then send him part of the gift card money?
No, he gave me, he told me, this is what he told me.
Yeah.
He told me once I deposit check, he gonna give me some money so I can get my apartment.
Okay.
So you were gonna deposit those in your new account and
Yeah.
then get a gift card?
No, I was gonna,
What did the gift
no,
card come in at?
because he been, cause this this second time I've been over
Can you
here.
just slow down a little bit because you're spitting all over.
This second time I've been over here. Cause he told me to deposit the check and he said he gonna deposit, he said like a loan company. Like he said he gonna deposit a loan up to $5,000. Yeah. If
Give
I,
him your account number, your new account. You gave him that information.
no, I ain't gave him that information. I ain't gave it to him. I ain't gave it to
Did you
him.
try to cash a check yesterday when you opened the account? No, you didn't try to cash a check yesterday.
Yes,
You
sir.
just came and opened the account.
Yeah, I just can't open an account. And then like I had some cash with me.
Okay.
I opened with $50.
So this is not the first transaction you and Vince have had.
Yeah.
Y'all did multiple transactions, look like. So y'all only talk through text, you don't talk on the phone?
Yeah, we talk on the phone, but yeah, he text, then we talk on the phone.
So the last message he said was, "You need to run away."
Yeah.
So you think that's right if he tell you to run away from
cause
us?
he ain't cause look, he somewhere else and I'm right here.
Yeah. So you gotta deal with us, and he's somewhere not here.
How did you get here?
How'd I get here? On the bus.
What's the
On the
number?
bus, okay.
Look, I don't know what finna happen. Please don't take me to jail. Please do not take me to jail. 'Cause I don't wanna go through this. 'Cause I'm trying to stay out of trouble. For real.
Well, you
I don't
You
wanna
see
be
his
in
most
trouble.
recent
Yeah, I'm
text?
looking at it.
I do not want to go to jail. 'Cause I already, I've been
So
locked
it
up
seems
a bunch
like
of
she
times.
been
It's been
getting
years
cards.
since I've been locked up. I'm trying to change
Where is
my
this
situation.
the
I'm
check
trying to
paper
change.
that you bought? You still got it with you?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see that.
So she been getting gift cards, sending it to him. She get a fraction of it. She told him the cops were here. He told her to run.
Yeah.
Today?
Just
When?
now,
Oh, okay.
when we just walked up.
See, I bought this from Office Depot. He
Have you
said
ever had any
that.
issues with cashing any of these other checks?
I mean, yeah, 'cause at Bank of America. Okay, get this. I had an account with Bank of America, right? He sent me some checks, right? The check got returned, all of them did. They
Right.
closed my Bank of America account.
So this is my question: have y'all ever met in person?
No, it ain't ever met in person.
So let's paint this picture, okay? We're gonna paint a picture, and you tell me how this sounds. You texting somebody you don't know, you never met in person. In a text message, you asking him to send you $7,000, $2,000. Do you think that's legal money being transferred back and forth between y'all? If you never met this person, you don't know his last name. You don't
But look, though, please don't take me to jail.
I'm asking you a question though. Did you think that was okay? Did you
No,
think
I mean, I thought it was a legit check. I didn't need it.
$7,000 from somebody you don't know that you never met in
I
person?
didn't need
How
help.
much help do you need? That's a lot of money.
Yeah, because I have a
$7,000 check. You want to
Y'all
get
good here
nothing
for
with
just a
it?
second?
Did you get it? Did you get the $7,000?
No, I ain't getting no
Okay, you get
$7,000. No, but look, though, see, I don't want to go to jail because I'm trying to change.
You keep saying that, but we running in circles. We're not giving you.
I try to call him because he's leaving you by yourself to deal with this. You see what I'm
So you
saying?
never ran into any issues with cashing these checks at any of these banks?
Yeah,
Never did.
no, yeah, okay, at Bank of America, I had an account at Bank of America. They returned them check he sent me.
Kroger's been cashing them for you?
No, Kroger ain't had no check, yeah. No.
Who's been cashing the checks for you?
No, they ain't been cash. He been putting money in my account. That's how
You asking him for $10,000? That's
You
a lot of
see?
money to be sending somebody that you don't know. How did you meet him?
No, he sent me a text.
How did you meet him?
No, I
Be
never
honest.
met him. I never met
So how
him.
did y'all start texting back and forth?
Because he sent me a text on
Saying
my
what?
saying like, if you need any help, I can be glad to help you. Then you get, and it was a 1-800 number. It was a 1-8 like a 1-800 like a 1-8 number. So I'm thinking this is a real number, and I'm saying calling him.
So how much money out of that do you send him?
No, he'll ask. Look, this what he'll say. He'll say, once you get the man, he'll put no. See, think about this. I ain't ever get no money from them checks, cause he will put money in my account and say send me two Target cards for $240 or $250, something like that. You know what I'm talking about?
So the money would be deposited in your account. You would have to
No, it
get a
ain't
gift
part of
card.
my account. It going to him. I ain't getting there.
So you doing all this work not to get no cut of it?
But
You see what I'm saying?
he promised
What
me.
bank account do you currently have right now?
Just
besides
this one?
So
Just
you
this
haven't been
one?
able to get another account?
No.
So have you ever had a successful transaction between?
No, cause the thing about it is the with Bank of America, they rejected the checks, and now the account right here finna be closed. I know it is.
Did you cash this one?
No, this one cash.
This is 3 on here. Did you cash one of these?
No, they
493?
haven't been cash.
Okay. So he just sent you the picture and then tells you.
Yeah, they
I
haven't
see
been
you
cash.
asked him if all the checks real.
The check ain't these. I got 3 checks, but none of them have been cash.
Yeah. So what a third one at though? Cause that's 2 right there. That's what I'm
Sent you a
trying.
picture of 3 checks.
Yeah. So where's the last one
I
at?
deposited into the ATM.
So here.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you got cash?
No, I ain't getting no cash.
You got a receipt for the deposit?
Yeah.
So the money should still be in your account.
I ain't got no money in my account.
You deposited, right? So it's
Yeah, but
pending.
see,
It's
they said
pending.
they putting a hold on it.
Pending. Okay.
Yeah, see? Look, see? Did what I did deposit. See?
So
Yeah.
that one went through, but you
No,
tried
they didn't
those.
go through. They got a hold on my account. I called Pinnacle Bank. They say I gotta wait till the 27th. They said they gotta see the check clear.
I got you.
So I ain't get no money at all. I ain't got no money for none of these checks. I
You're
just
asking him for help. Did it
Yeah.
ever occur to you that maybe I need to just stop?
yeah.
You realize you wouldn't get no money out of it. Y'all been going since the beginning of August. Like, you ain't got no money out of the deal?
Cause look, he said this. Oh, just get 2 Target gift cards for $240, and I'll deposit the money. They play him like a fool. I ain't got no
He probably
money.
not gonna answer because we know.
Let me try to call him.
Hold on. Wait,
But you see how suspicious they look. You text and told them what was there. That means you knew you was doing something wrong. You see what I'm saying?
No, but I thought. See, I'm thinking the checks are real.
She did say, I hope these checks are real.
Okay.
But sometimes you got to just use common sense. I'm just being blunt with you. Because you've been sending him money and sending him money. You ain't got nothing out of it.
No.
Not a dime.
No, cause the thing
You
about
just been running
Cause
all
look,
over after getting this paper for him. You had to pay for the paper too?
Yeah. Cause look, okay, like this. Look, okay. When I sat here and gave him, got the gift card, and then when I sat here and called him back, he was like, I'm gonna deposit $5,000 into your account. And I said, look, don't play the game with me. I said, I need help. My situation I'm in, I said, why you playing the game with me?
Right.
The party you are trying to reach is
He ain't even answering you now. He ain't even, what kind of friend is that? It was a third check. She deposited out yesterday. But it didn't go.
Well, she's spending money.
She said it's pending.
Maybe pending.
It's not in there.
Well, she had transactions at Target.
Today.
You have result transactions.
So the money didn't clear, you said?
No, 'cause I ain't got no money. I ain't got no money out there. I just did it
Did you get a
today.
debit card? Or is it?
So how
Yeah, I got a debit card.
I mean, I have nothing.
Yeah.
Hey, let me read you this real quick, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you for any question if you wish. Even if you don't want a lawyer now, you can agree to talk with us. You can at any time change your mind, ask for a lawyer, or stop talking with us. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
What?
Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
Yeah, what wrong? What have I done? No, what have I done? I didn't know.
Listen.
No, what have I done? You tell me this.
Listen to me.
Just listen.
Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us now?
Yeah.
Okay. That's
What have I done?
So that's what we're trying to figure out exactly.
No, girl, I ain't got no money.
That's
I
not
just.
true because you have transaction history at Target. I know that because they just confirmed it. So
No, that was the money he put in my account on the card. He put money on my
So what
card
did you go to Target for?
to get the gift cards.
Okay. So
He put the money in my account.
Okay. So
He put the money in my account and that's how I got the gift card. I ain't got no money.
You get the gift cards with that $4.93?
No, not with that.
What other money did he send you?
I thought, see, the thing, he got my banking information from here. He got my banking information. And then he told me he put the money in my account, and then he told me to go to Target and get the gift
So
card.
let's put money into this new account.
Yeah, he put money in there.
Did you give him your account
I
information?
don't know how he got it. I don't know how he got it.
But that's the only way you can get it is if you give it to him. You know that. I mean, so who's the gentleman that was parked over here in that white truck when I got here?
What white girl? I don't know nothing about that.
So you came on the bus?
Yeah, I came on the bus. I don't know nothing
How long
about
did you wait outside before you came in?
who? The white truck? I don't know nobody no white truck.
Okay, so let me forget about that for a moment. You said you came on the bus
Yeah,
just to come here and do this.
yeah.
What time was that?
It about what? Okay, now I'm going on about what? 20, 30 minutes ago. I caught the 2:15 bus. I caught the 2:15 bus. I got here at like what? About 2:30 because the boat running late because they had to switch drivers on the bus and they had to do that.
So
But the money with the gift card, he put that in my account.
that's fine.
He put that in my account. He said you have $500 in your account right now. He said go get the Target gift card for $240 each.
Okay.
And that's what I did. It wasn't because these checks. I didn't use these checks to get that money. I didn't use these checks. So why am I trying to be arrested for something? No money I did not have. Why you arresting me?
I haven't arrested you yet.
But why you trying to though?
I'm trying to figure out exactly the circumstances that took place today and why you're here with checks that are fraudulent.
Look, I'm saying this. I'm not with these checks. These are checks he just sent me.
Okay. So
Okay.
why is the check paper the same as that paper?
Because he told me to get this paper. He told me to go to Office Depot and get the paper. I paid for it.
Why?
Cause he said he was gonna give me some money. I was just thinking, but look, no, you don't understand my situation. I'm homeless. I'm homeless.
Right. Do you
I don't
have
have.
a printer?
No, I don't have no
Does he
printer.
have a printer?
He probably do.
Okay.
He don't.
So then what good does that paper do you? You would have had to meet him at some point to give him that paper, correct?
No, you got it all wrong. I bought the paper from Office Depot, and I told him I bought the paper. Then he told me when I bought the paper, I called him. I said I got the paper. He said, which one did you get? I said I got this one. He said he had pictures of the paper, check refill. He had all different kind of check paper.
Yeah.
I said I got the first one, the one at the top.
Okay.
He said all right. He said I'm gonna email you a check. Look on my phone. Look when he emailed me a check. I'm gonna tell you.
Okay.
Okay, look, this way he emailed me the check. Green Cloud Finance. Look, I'm gonna show you something. Look,
I'm looking. I'm pretty closely.
look.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So what
He emailed me the check. And he said print it at the UPS store. I printed at the UPS store.
You had to print these checks on that paper at the UPS store.
Yeah. I just got these checks. He said print it at the UPS store. I went to the UPS store today.
And you printed it off at UPS?
Yeah, and I ain't got
paper.
nothing. I ain't got no money. I didn't get no money. Cause I didn't get no money.
So he didn't send you checks?
No, he didn't take. He put money in my account. He put money in my account and said, go get the Target gift card. That's what he said.
Well, he sent you checks that you had to go print off on paper. That doesn't work that way.
No, look, no. When I printed the check, no, listen. When I printed the check, he said, go deposit at the bank. But look, and then he said, Dad, but he told me, when I got here, he said, print the check and then I will give you your money.
So I have a question. Have you ever had a job before?
Yeah, I had a job before. I've been working ever since I was 15. It's just a job I had didn't work out because they weren't paying me enough.
Okay. Previously, with your experience in your previous jobs, how did you receive your payment?
By working.
I'm saying, like, how did they pay you? How did you get paid?
Oh, direct deposit. And sometimes with checks.
Okay, so that's what I'm saying. With your old jobs, did you ever have to do all this to get paid?
No.
So that's what I'm saying, like.
But look, see, thing about it, he got my account information here. This check I
Can we be honest? How did he get your account information? You had to
give it. I don't know if I gave it to him. Look,
we being honest now.
No, listen.
Okay.
I sent him some paper from Pinnacle Bank. Maybe it had my account information on it. I wasn't sure. I just sent it to him.
So you knowing that he had your account information, you didn't want to file and say, hey, my account has been compromised. Like, it didn't faze you that somebody has your account information?
I didn't know, cause he put the money in my account.
That's what I'm saying. You had to know for him to be able to put that money in your account. You see what I'm saying?
No, I didn't put no money in my account.
I didn't see it.
Why you trying?
Am I yelling
You
at you?
you're trying to make it seem like I'm the one doing it.
No, I'm trying to break it down to you.
No, I'm trying to break it down to you.
Okay, go ahead.
No, I'm trying to break it down to you.
Okay.
I didn't get no damn money. I didn't get no money.
Okay.
He still here and put the money in my account, and then he told me to go get the Target gift card.
I got you.
I didn't get no money out of it. These checks hadn't even been cashed, they hadn't even went through. So why you up here trying to make it seem like I did something wrong?
You did. Plain and simple, you did.
Wait, I ain't even get no money?
That's unfortunate. That's how it works sometimes because you were here trying to deposit fraudulent checks.
I didn't know that was fraudulent. I didn't know because he sent me the email and stuff. He sent me the email. I didn't know. I didn't do this. This ain't right. This is not right. Cause I didn't know. I thought it was a real check.
We're still inside the bank. We got other questions.
No, I thought it was a real check because I'm sitting here hungry and I'm trying to stay out of trouble. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Get a video.
I'm trying to stay out of trouble. I don't want to go back there. No, look, you don't understand. You don't understand. You don't understand. I've been locked up before. I don't want to go back there. I'm trying to better myself. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to better myself. I have a job interview in a couple of days.
Keep it down. We're inside the bank still.
After being placed under arrest, the woman was transported to the county jail. She was charged with fourth-degree forgery and deposit account fraud related to bad checks. The forgery charge was later dismissed, while she entered a no-contest plea to the deposit account fraud charge and was convicted. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more police body cam footage. See you soon.
This is bullshit.
A no-contest plea means not admitting guilt, but accepting conviction. This avoided trial risk on both charges, while securing conviction on the stronger fraud count. The legal standard for fraud does not include exceptions based on poverty or homelessness. Policy reasoning. Excusing fraud due to desperation would create perverse incentives. Vulnerable populations would become recruitment targets for criminal enterprises who could exploit them without legal consequence. Individual accountability must be maintained despite systemic injustices. Officers receive a B+. Positive aspects: professional demeanor throughout, effective Socratic questioning to educate the subject, thorough investigation before arrest. Areas for improvement: limited verbal acknowledgement of the subject's victimization could have provided comfort while maintaining legal necessity. Miranda timing was unclear from footage. Tactically sound, maintained appropriate positioning, communicated with backup, controlled arrest in secure environment, checked handcuff application to prevent injury claims. The subject receives a D-. Physical compliance prevented additional charges. However, she ignored multiple obvious fraud indicators that any reasonable person would recognize. Providing bank information to strangers, printing paychecks from digital files, and proceeding despite suspicions all demonstrate reckless disregard sufficient for criminal liability. The grade reflects dual status: victimized by a scammer, but criminally liable for reckless conduct. Sympathy for circumstances does not eliminate legal responsibility. Bank employees receive an A-. Excellent fraud detection, proper verification procedures, appropriate law enforcement notification, and evidence preservation. Minor improvement area: enhanced customer education about fraud patterns at account opening could prevent victimization, particularly for high-risk profiles like new accounts with large immediate deposits. Key lessons: first, legitimate employers never require you to print your own paychecks, provide bank information to strangers, or purchase gift cards as employment conditions. Second, Federal Trade Commission data shows Americans lost $1.8 billion to check fraud in 2023. Employment scams specifically target desperate job seekers. Third, verify employment offers independently. Contact companies through official websites, not information provided by recruiters. Research company reviews and Better Business Bureau ratings. Fourth, understand that being scammed does not absolve you of criminal liability for fraud you commit in the process. Reckless disregard for warning signs satisfies criminal intent. Fifth, if something seems too good to be true, investigate before acting. One internet search or call to a social service organization could have revealed this scam pattern. Sixth, homelessness and financial desperation make individuals vulnerable to exploitation. However, the solution is not excusing criminal conduct, but providing better social services and financial literacy education. Seventh, officers face difficult human situations regularly. Their ability to enforce law while showing empathy and to maintain professionalism under emotional pressure deserves recognition. Eighth, financial institutions serve as the first line of defense against fraud. Their verification procedures and willingness to contact law enforcement protect the broader community. This case demonstrates the harsh intersection of law and justice. One person can simultaneously be a victim and a perpetrator. The legal system must balance accountability with compassion. Systemic solutions include aggressive prosecution of international scam networks, enhanced fraud prevention awareness campaigns, and improved social safety nets for vulnerable populations. The conviction will make future legitimate employment more difficult for the subject, perpetuating the cycle of poverty. This highlights the need for re-entry programs and expungement opportunities. From a constitutional perspective, the Fourth Amendment probable cause standard was clearly met. The Fifth Amendment, right against self-incrimination, was not violated, as initial statements were voluntary. The 14th Amendment due process was satisfied through formal charges, court proceedings, and the opportunity to present defenses, ultimately resulting in a negotiated plea. The dismissal of the forgery charge demonstrates prosecutorial discretion in action. Prosecutors balance the subject's victimization against the need for accountability on the clearer fraud charge. This case serves as both a legal analysis and a public service warning. Understanding employment scam patterns can prevent others from falling into the same trap. The body cam footage reveals the human cost of digital fraud: desperation, fear, and the collapse of hope when supposed employment becomes criminal charges. Law enforcement, financial institutions, and the justice system each played their roles appropriately. The tragedy lies not in their conduct, but in the underlying social conditions. Poverty should not excuse crime, but it demands our attention to systemic solutions that address root causes rather than merely punishing symptoms. Let us know if there's an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Law, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.